Monster Energy isn't just a drink, it's a cultural icon that powers millions of people worldwide, from athletes and gamers to night shift workers and students seeking an extra boost. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Behind every can lies a fascinating journey through a state-of-the-art factory, where precision, innovation and passion come together to create the bold and refreshing drink loved globally. The process begins with sourcing high-quality ingredients like caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, sugar, and Monster's proprietary blend. These arrive at the factory in massive quantities, stored in enormous containers, and undergo rigorous quality testing to ensure only the best ingredients make it into production. Every batch is inspected for purity and consistency, as Monster maintains uncompromising standards to deliver the same great taste every time. In the heart of the factory are enormous stainless steel mixing tanks, some towering as tall as a two-story building. Here, the ingredients are blended with filtered water to create Monster's signature formula. Computers and sensors monitor every aspect of the process, from temperature to pH levels to ensure absolute consistency in every batch. This step is crucial, as even the slightest deviation could impact the drink's flavor or energy-boosting properties. The mixture then undergoes carbonation, where carbon dioxide is carefully infused to give Monster its iconic fizz. This stage requires meticulous control, as achieving the perfect balance of bubbles is essential for the drink's refreshing feel. While the drink is being prepared, another team focuses on the cans. Monster uses lightweight, recyclable aluminum cans that arrive at the factory as blank, shiny silver shells. These are cleaned thoroughly to remove any impurities before heading to the high-speed printing station. Here, cutting-edge machines apply the iconic black and neon green Monster design, complete with the claw logo and bold typography. The speed and precision of the printing process are mind-blowing, with thousands of cans rolling through the machines every minute. Each can emerges vibrant and unmistakable, ready to house the energy drink. Once the drink is mixed and the cans are printed, the action moves to the filling and sealing stage. Conveyor belts carry the empty cans to high-speed filling machines, which pour the drink into the cans with remarkable accuracy, up to 2,000 cans per minute. The machines ensure every can is filled to the exact milliliter, preventing spillage or waste. Immediately after filling, the cans are sealed with airtight lids to preserve carbonation and freshness. This step is critical, as it guarantees the drink maintains its bold taste and fizzy texture until it reaches the consumer. The journey doesn't end there. Each can undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure it meets Monster's high standards. Advanced machines scan for defects, such as dents or improper sealing, while human inspectors double-check for consistency in flavor, carbonation, and packaging. Only flawless cans make it past this stage, while any defective products are recycled, reflecting Monster's commitment to sustainability. Nothing goes to waste. Rejected cans and leftover materials are melted down and reused in future production cycles. Once the cans pass quality checks, they are ready for packaging. Automated machines group them into packs and stack them onto pallets with robotic precision. The sight of rows upon rows of freshly packed Monster cans is truly mesmerizing, showcasing the sheer scale of production. These pallets are then loaded onto trucks, ready to be shipped to distribution centers around the globe. Monster Energy's logistics network ensures that the drinks reach stores, vending machines, and events worldwide in record time, while maintaining their signature freshness and energy-boosting power. From start to finish, the production of Monster Energy is a masterclass in efficiency, innovation, and dedication. It's a process that combines cutting-edge technology, human expertise, and a passion for delivering the ultimate energy drink experience. The next time you crack open a can of Monster, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to your hands. An inspiring blend of science, precision, and creativity that fuels the world with energy. If you've enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep the energy flowing.